morning, my name's John Elms. I'm the president of the Ashburton Fancy Society. This is a club that's been going for 120 consecutive years, and this year we have one of the biggest shows that we've had in Ashburton for a long time, with over 1,000 entries, ranging from ducks, bantams, game birds, pigeons, turkeys, and guinea pigs, rabbits, and other bits and pieces, cage birds and that. So, and it's been a good show here this year, and we're looking forward to holding the national show here in 2 years, which will be for the whole of New Zealand. The show is run well this year with large entries, and we've had a special Wyandotte section where you've seen one or two of the birds that have won the prizes, maybe on this video, and show finishes at 3 o'clock today, and we're happy with the support we've had from all our sponsors and people that have shown their birds here.